Reviews magazine is excited to show you Buford and Sheri King's home in Midland, Georgia. We hope you enjoy. After years of living in Midtown Columbus, the King family was excited to begin a new chapter in a 1920s family home nestled in the heart of Midland, Georgia. Surrounded by rich history and timeless charm, Sheri and Buford King were ready to mix their modern lives with the traditions of this beautiful old home, creating memories for generations to come. A Moroccan-style area rug defines the family room. The sofa is in a light pink color and offers a comfortable place to watch TV or just lounge. The break front on the opposite side of the room is balanced by a matching pair of teal velvet chairs, and the bench in the corner is upholstered in quadrille fabric, and above it are 3 nudes by Gloria Manny Pipkins. The antique wooden chest was a wedding present purchased from Butch and Diane Estes in Columbus, and above it hangs a modern abstract by Rene Bouchon. The original pine ceiling comes to life against the color creamy by Sherwin-Williams. The extra-large handcrafted zebra wood table by CEH is the perfect foil to the antique French chairs, which are upholstered in the same fabric as the draperies. The inlaid is French and is topped in Carrara marble with 2 visual comfort lamps with custom-made shades. The 2 smaller paintings were painted by local artist Gloria Manny Pipkins, and the settee is upholstered in a coral and white fabric. The formal living room is a perfect blend of many styles and colors. The fabric on the sofa and the club chair is by local artist Teal Duncan Henley, as is the skirted table. The antique French chest was purchased at Crown and Colony in Fairhope, Alabama, with a pair of framed intaglios above it. Recently, Sheri went to the Paris flower market and purchased the 2 pieces of Sèvres porcelain, which sit on the mantel, flanking the colorful abstract painting by local artist Joe Ferris. Upon entering the King's home, guests are greeted by the incredible floral wallpaper and a French gilded console table and mirror with a pair of white ginger jars. The floors are in a herringbone pattern and were finished by Got wood to look like white oak. The chinoiserie mural by Ixel for Schumacher envelops the entire den. Hanging above the green velvet sofa are a collection of 4 French prints which were Buford's grandmother's, and the gold leaf mirror is in the exact same finish as the frame prints, which help to unify the mirror and the art. The matching lamps are by Visual Comfort, and the side table is by Bunny Williams. The little sitting room is a showstopper in this fabulous high-gloss paint called Bancha by Farrow and Ball. Owner Sheri King also painted the slate floors in black, which allow the white upholstery to really stand out. The chinoiserie painted secretary belonged to Buford's grandmother, and it's original to the home, as are the built-in bookcases. The 2 paintings on either side are by local artist Teal Duncan Henley. The ottoman is in Emmanuel Canovas fabric and sits atop an antique Turkish Jerez rug. The home was originally built by Buford's family in the 1920s. Daughter Lily's room is designed around a lovely butterfly fabric by Teal Duncan Henley. The art is by Emio and Laurie Fisher. The bed linens are from Biscuit Homes, and the wall color is Creamy by Sherwin-Williams. Lily's bathroom was completely renovated and features complementing wallpaper and fabric, also by Teal. Heron and Dragonfly wallpaper completely envelops the powder room. The Viola marble sink was purchased from Etsy, the sconces flanking the mirror are Nearman Weeks, and the pendant is by Visual Comfort. Chattahoochee Woodworks custom-built all the kitchen cabinetry, and Market Solutions installed the Calcutta Viola countertops. Sheri bought the unlacquered hardware from an online company, as well as the wooden veneer matching pendant lights over the island. All the appliances come from Daniel Appliance Company and got wood out of Phoenix City, Alabama, sanded and planed out the original floors, and they were finished to have a more organic feel. Chartreuse slip-covered chairs in the breakfast room surround the yew-wood breakfast room table, which belonged to Sheri's great-aunt. The vinyl wallpaper is by Quadrille, and the Ushot carpet has a Moroccan feel. The floral painting by local artist Aaron Gregory hangs above the sideboard, which is topped with 2 matching lamps from Visual Comfort, and a collection of antique rose medallion porcelain. The modern collection of vases on the table were purchased at Park Place, Midtown. Original to the home, the bar was updated by Matt Lane of Chattahoochee Woodworks with new handcrafted cabinets and paneling, and Marquina black marble countertops were installed by Market Surfaces. The color Waterloo by Sherwin-Williams ties in the blue of the original slate floors and really allows the painting by Teal Duncan Henley to stand out. The master bedroom draperies and lucite bench are adorned with Teal Duncan Henley fabric. The French bed is upholstered in a lilac velvet, and the bed linens are Matouk, monogrammed by Tiffany Clark. The pair of lacquered side tables offer plenty of storage, and the settee was purchased from Scott Antique Markets and is in an orange Schumacher fabric. Many talented professionals contributed to bringing Sheri's vision for the home to life. She selected all the interior finishes, creating a space that is colorful, sophisticated, and highly functional. The exterior also required significant attention, with the overgrown landscape and deteriorating pool in need of transformation. Corey Gallups worked his magic, installing lush plantings of boxwood and a fresh lawn, and ASP, America's Swimming Pool, Columbus, Georgia, designed and built the incredible pool in the backyard. Simplified by Margaret made changes to the outdoor kitchen and bathroom. The result of this labor of love is an exquisite home where the King family is proud to raise their children in the same place where Buford's father once grew up.